Hello, welcome to a simple circuit. Just it controls the keypad of the door. So as you see here in the LCD, so ask the user to put his password. So this one will remain until you click this one is start. So when you click this one, you give a chance for your user to put your password. So you put your password. For this one I set is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So then you click it, hash, then if correct pin, now you send a signal. This one will show you is correct, and then this one I will going to connect to PKs. Let's say if you put a wrong, so I said to put a wrong password, so 1 2 3 wrong, it will give a message here. So try again, waiting, put again 3 times you can put. So again, try again, so waiting. So then here you give here sound. Cancel.